Hello again, back now with Today Property Watch. As the new financial year begins, many Aussies are now considering cashing in on the government's new first home buyer schemes, which start today.
Here to discuss the pros and cons of buying a house with a smaller deposit is Sarah McCartney from Domain. Good morning to you, Sarah. Typically, home buyers need a 20% deposit if they don't want to pay the mortgage insurance. How will that change from today?
Yeah, from today, there's a new scheme coming in with the government, the Home Guarantee Scheme, which is exciting. What it means for first home buyers, and it includes regional, is that they can look to purchase a property with between 2 or 5%. So that's substantially less than the typical 20%.
Surely there are a few warnings about that sort of borrowing though.
There are. It always comes with a catch or something to be aware of. So whilst it might mean you can get into the market earlier, you will typically be paying your loan for a longer time and potentially also having a higher interest rate. So there are some considerations that you need to explore. There's sort of top 5 tips that we encourage people to think about, including, knowing what loans are available out there, knowing what compromises you're prepared to make to reduce the overall loan value. Can you switch out the third bedroom, not have the lock-up garage, look for a unit?
Long-term costs as well and property tax, big considerations.
That's right. For New South Wales buyers, they do also have the opportunity now to have a property tax instead of stamp duty, which again gives them more money to put into the deposit.
Well, let's have a look now at what the property market is doing at the moment. What were clearance rates like last weekend? Clearance
rates are still very strong, so there's still a hot buyer's market out there. So if you're looking to sell, there are definitely people out there willing to buy. We've had strong rates all from the 60s to 70s across Australia.
And auction rates today, auction numbers today?
Auction numbers are down a little bit, which is which is something that we see typically at this time of year as we come into winter.
Absolutely. Tell us about some expensive homes on the market. There's plenty of them.
Yes. Well, up in the beautiful northern beaches of Sydney, we had a $10 million sale.
It's
if you love the water, this is for you. Water access, you've got a pool, you've got a spa, modern interior features. It's really a lifestyle haven, this one. And then moving across the coast, if we skip over to Perth, we had a wonderful first home buyer place, a 1-bedroom studio, convenient, nicely refurbished, a really perfect, tidy little first home buyer house.
230 grand for that.
Yeah.
Okay, some unique homes on the market. This is our favourite segment.
I know, the property porn.
Dream
the one we can't afford.
Yeah, for those of just off Toorak Road, we've got the stunning old world charm glamour home. I mean, the interiors are just second to none, from the wooden flooring, the closetry, the room for their grand piano, the very ornate, traditional structured gardens.
I can see Jane as a party in Toorak.
Could you?
With your Toorak tractor.
I need that, I suppose, to be a soccer mum in Toorak. Look at the...
Yeah, beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's stunning. It's a classic, stunning home.
What else have we got?
And then we also have, this is Malibu by name and nature up in Queensland. I mean, this is somewhere I imagine Tay stays when she's on tour, just basking in sunlight. It's got beautiful water views, high lofty ceilings. It's just a real modern sort of classic penthouse.
That looks very Barbie, doesn't it? Sarah, thank you so much.
Thanks, Sarah.
Pleasure.
Hey there, Today fans. Sarah and...
What's my name again?
Oh my God, Carl.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel, though. Subscribe now for more news, special reports, and amazing Aussie stories.
And Carl misbehaving,
Whoa,
of course.
That never happens.
Always happens.
What's she talking about?